So this is my first 30-second tip for improving your workflow. This one's around Blender. What I highly recommend you do is use this default save startup file. So we're going to go ahead and reset. And this is what happens when you launch Blender by default. So the simple keys to do are press A to select everything, D to delete everything. Then you're going to want to go over to your scene here, your units, and change your scale to 0.01. That matches Unreal. And then go into each of your views. So layout, all the ones you're going to use, click this down arrow and change the view scale to the same thing so that your grid matches Unreal. So you're going to do that for each of the workspaces that you use so that they all match appropriately. The other thing I like to do is I go into bottom perspective and I do a add image to the background. And I have a cheat sheet that I like to use. So this cheat sheet allows me to quickly see the keys. So cheat sheet. I'm going to add a new collection. Didn't mean to do that inside. Call that help. Call that main. Put main above help. So I basically set up that I want this cheat sheet in a separate collection hidden, and then do file, defaults, save startup file, and click that and look down here for the save. Now, whenever I come into Blender, this is going to be my default view, and I don't have to delete things, change the settings. I can just import a model from Unreal and get to work.